of our mother. Mother does not distinguish between colors and creed and the qualities of its sons and daughters. It embraces everybody with the same love. And in the same spirit, we are all together here today in Durga Ma's temple, celebrating whatever faith we have in our mind. There is no distinction. We all stay in love and we respect our environment wherever we go. I really congratulate all of you who came here today to celebrate this function and become part of the Durga Temple organization. Durga Temple organization is built up out of all of you, and always with open arms the management tries to welcome any saints and any organization who are living in the faith. A little faith, as Swamiji who came last week here, I don't know how many of you had the privilege to sit here and listen to his pravachan. And he said, a little faith will take you to heaven, and full faith will bring the heaven to you. So, if we really stay in our faith and continue living by the Vedic traditions, there is no way that we can be lost in this world. We will always be success. I'll give request rather Venkatji to say one or two words about their organization or what function they have. We at the same time also have Jaswinder Sidhuji, also who is trying to represent us into the political arena of the country, and we wish success to him as well in various ventures. He has been trying to be part of our organization all the time whenever we have to represent ourselves to the ministers and to the government organizations. It's really very good that some persons from our region also contribute to the politics of the country, because power also is one of the essential things in running our organization and bringing success to our community. Jaswinder ji. So I request Venkatji to first say a few words very quickly. The time is not there much. And then Sidhuji to also say a few words as to what is the new progress. Because we have been requesting, just for your knowledge, Sidhuji is from a labor organization, and we have requested many times few facilities for our organization, like a road to our temple, a regular bus service to our temple, and various other things which are not very big things as far as I think, but they have taken their own time to be awarded to us by the government. So, Venkat.
Hello. Yeah, thank you very much for coming, everybody. Better I speak English, because most of the people, they can understand in English. This Bonalu function is the Hyderabad's very famous Mataji, Durga Mata Puja. We have been celebrating that's the last hundreds of years, and this is very familiar with Mangalama and familiar with Golconda, and also in Secunderabad, Bonalu. So everywhere in Hyderabad and Secunderabad, twin cities in India, it's celebrating last nearly more than 200 years, 300 years. So this is particularly the puja for Mata, Durga Mata, asking for many ways. Particularly the monsoon season, it starts. People who they have needed like water or even resources of food and resources of health and many causes. So we pray for Mata, particularly this cause. So this one organized by many organizations, but here in Melbourne, second time in Durga Mata temple, we proud to say celebrating here, and that is particularly organized by Melbourne Telangana News, and our Madhu is also one of the organizer, best organizer, and Deepak and all Raju, Pradeep and Anand and Rajit and all other friends. So we are also supporting all Telangana organizations here, and I am also representing Melbourne Telangana Forum, and other organization, ATAI also the friends are here. So they are also representing particularly Telangana organizations who they are familiar with Bonalu. So in North Indian style, the Mataji Puja. In South Indian style, it's called Bonalu. So I very pleased to request everybody have prasada in next to the temple, which is having that lunch here, and also to take the prasada from Mataji and take blessings today's festival. And it's been happened since this morning 10 o'clock. And we started 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, that's the Bonalu function, and 1 o'clock it's almost finished. And now we are concluding the particular way of Mata blessings to get every single family attending here, and even our friends and families back in India, all over the world. And Sarve Jana Sukhno Bhavantu. Particularly we pray for everybody's health, wealth and future. And I also request so we just want to say also one more thing is, just Mataji Ku Jai, I would like to say one word to 3 times. So just say thanks and say Jai to Mataji. Jai Bolo Mankal Mata Ki Jai. Jai Bolo Mankal Mata Ki Jai. Jai Bolo Mankal Mata Ki Jai.
जय बोलो कट्टा मैसम्मा को जय बोलो गंडी मैसम्मा को जय बोलो नल्ला पोचम्मा को जय बोलो रेणुका इल्लम्मा को. Thank you.
This is a different way of praying the Mata in Hyderabad style. That's what our brother is telling that. And I request you to, our Jashwintar ji, to talk some words about today's program.
Thank you, Durga ji, and the temple committee as well as the Telangana Association. I'll be very brief because I think the time is already nearly 2 o'clock. So Durga ji has raised the issue of road, which you all basically, I would say we suffer basically when you drive and the road basically is not the proper road. So I can assure that if the temple wants to raise the issue with the current government, whether it is the road minister or whether we want, through our local member of parliament, we want to raise the issue in Parliament House, which becomes as a community issue and it will be there forever, we can do that. So just let me know when you want to follow this up, we can follow that up. And we can also organize a meeting with the temple committee and representatives and with the advisor who looks after roads from the state government. I would also briefly mention the contributions, all the food grains that we are donating. Apart from sharing it with among ourselves, the temple also shares that with homeless children. It has been going from 3 years. So for 3 years, regularly, every week, milk and food is being donated by this temple, which basically comes from your donations. So we must be proud of the temple committee's decision that not many temples do that, but Durga temple is always there whenever the community needs them. There are few grants that are available at present, and probably I can do it through Telangana News. I can start a regular column where I can keep telling which grants are available. At present, there is a large grant of $12 million. That is for music. If you have anyone who sings, who plays, and they want to record music, up to $75,000 of government grant is available. And I can tell you that the Indian community, whether it is Telugu or Punjabi or Gujarati, do not apply grants. But grants are given from the tax that we all pay. So if anyone is interested in exploring those grants, I will be available. Will be coming back here every month or every 6 weeks, and I can basically make myself available as well. So with this, I'll thank the committee and I'll thank the organizers for inviting me, giving me such an honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Sudhiri. As you all have heard, he has promised some of the things he will do for us, which is very nice. And on the top of it, I'll also thank all of you who, on my request, they were just going to do Mother Day and they have been sitting here. Thanks for your patience. It actually shows a lot of discipline in ourselves. एक बात और जो लास्ट वीक में आपको बताऊं, जो स्वामी जी से किसी के मन में आया होगा कि ध्यान कैसे लगाएं, तो ध्यान लगाना सब लोग चाहते हैं, मेडिटेशन करते हैं, पूजा करते हैं, हम अपने घर में बैठ के करते हैं, ध्यान कैसे लगाएं? तो उन्होंने उसका कोई जवाब नहीं दिया। उन्होंने यही कहा कि तुम तो जब ब्रश करते हो तब ध्यान नहीं करते, ऐसे ब्रश करते हो जैसे अपने मुंह को उखाड़ दोगे। जब खाना खाते हो तो तुम्हें पता नहीं मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ, अंदर फेंक रहे हो, जल्दी से कब जाऊँ। और जब भी कुछ तुम लोग करते हो ऐसे, इसमें के ध्यान की ज़रूरत है, लेकिन आप लोग ध्यान नहीं लगाते, उसकी वजह से सेहत खराब होती है। तो ये भी एक अपना जो तपस्या है, अपने आप पे थोड़ी देर के लिए डिसिप्लिन रखना, अपने मन में जब भगवान के सामने बैठे हैं तो उनकी आराधना में रहना। सिर्फ वहाँ माता देखने से आराधना नहीं हो जाती, बैठने से ही, मन में उनका भाव आने से ही सब काम पूर्ण हो जाता है। बाहर से ही प्रार्थना है, आज से ही पूजा है। तो फिर से मिलेंगे। जय माता दी। अपना एक और बार शुक्रिया करें अपने प्रेसिडेंट साहब को। ये कुलवंत जोशी जी हमारे प्रेसिडेंट हैं, इनको भी शुक्रिया करें, बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, क्योंकि ये जो सब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चल रही है इनके करने से ही हो रही है। हम लोग सब तो जाते हैं, तो कोई बात नहीं, सब मिलते रहे, आते रहिए। और मंदिर जो है बहुत अच्छी तरह से प्रोग्रेस कर रहा है, और इस साल में हमारा सौभाग्य होगा कि हम लोग उस मंदिर में बैठेंगे, वहाँ भजन कीर्तन करेंगे, सब भी उसमें फिर करना है। थैंक यू। जय माता।